Nhánh Lan Rừng House by THIA Architecture in CHANH HIEP, Vietnam. From the shelter of the home awning, our hearts intricately weave a tapestry of poetic musings. The homeowner is a free-spirited individual, in our assessment, as we engage in designing their space. The homeowner desire is to create a dreamy living space, reminiscent of the serene atmosphere of a garden coffee, peacefully separated from the outside hustle and bustle. The house is intended for a family of 4, comprising a couple, 2 children, and occasional visits from the grandmother. The construction time is set to be less than 3 months, with the architect granted full authority over the structure and materials. Approaching the existing condition of the single-story house with its front facing northwest, the decision is made to retain the entire structure of the wooden latticed veranda and the remaining layer of plastered walls, which still appear new. We choose to integrate a new steel structure, resembling the branching pattern of a flourishing forest, into this existing framework. Inspired by the idea of stacked small houses, the cross-sectional drawing of the house depicts varying heights between spaces, providing both visual appeal and addressing ventilation and lighting concerns. The imagery of roofs and window frames is reiterated across spaces, invoking familiar images of peaceful Vietnamese countryside homes, disrupting the monotonous narrow tube house concept. The different slopes of the roofs aim to minimize solar radiation exposure and effectively solve drainage issues. The ground floor hosts the living room, kitchen, a small front courtyard for parking, a multi-purpose resting room for the grandmother, and a small backyard garden. The veranda space under the roof, adorned with greenery, serves as an ideal relaxation spot for the homeowners and expands the perceived space. The second floor comprises 3 bedrooms, including a master bedroom and 2 children's rooms, as well as a rooftop reading and stargazing space. The open design of this floor not only addresses the need for light and ventilation but also ensures privacy for the functional rooms. Despite its compact size, the house fulfills all essential functionalities. Most importantly, it promotes constant visual connectivity among family members, creating a warm and cheerful atmosphere. We consider this small house project a success upon completion.